Safety Training by Yard Techs.
Introduction. Welcome to the Landscape Maintenance Safety Training course. This course will cover 12 common risks found on the job. Each risk will have 1 to 2 examples and mitigation strategies. This list is not intended to be all-inclusive, nor does it cover every possible risk associated with your assigned role. Risk Topic 1. Chemical and pesticide exposure. Risk of skin irritation or respiratory issues from fertilizers or pesticides. Mitigation. Wear chemical-resistant gloves, eye protection, protective clothing, and use masks when working with these substances. Never touch freshly sprayed areas. Store all chemicals in dedicated storage areas in sealed containers. Risk Topic 2. Tool and equipment safety. Risk. Injuries from tools or equipment. Mitigation. Ask for guidance and follow safe use procedures when using a new or unfamiliar tool or equipment. Risk Topic 3. Ergonomic strain and overexertion. Risk. Back, neck, or joint pain from repetitive bending, lifting heavy objects, repetitive task or prolonged kneeling. Mitigation. Practice proper lifting techniques, use knee pads, and take required breaks. Mitigation. Alternate tasks to reduce repetitive strain, and use assistive devices, e.g., wheelbarrows, for heavy loads. Risk Topic 4. Slips, trips, and falls. Risk. Surfaces can become wet or muddy, creating slip hazards. Mitigation. Wear slip-resistant footwear, avoid areas of excess water. Move slowly when moving on hillsides or wet grounds. Mitigation. Keep walkways clear, store tools immediately after use. Risk Topic 5. UV exposure and heat-related illnesses, risks of sunburn, heat exhaustion, or heat stroke from the sun. Mitigation. Apply broad-spectrum sunscreen, wear a wide brim hat, drink plenty of water, avoid energy drinks and high-sugar foods. Risk Topic 6. Allergens and respiratory irritants, mitigation. Wear a mask when handling soil, dirt, moving landscape materials, handling high pollen plants, and when blowing. Risk Topic 7. Insect, rodent, and wildlife hazards. Risk. Bites or stings from bees, wasps, ticks, spiders, and other insects. Mitigation. Always wear assigned long-sleeve shirt, gloves, and pants. Avoid reaching into areas that you can't clearly see. Do not touch insects or animals. Risk. Diseases transmitted by rodents, wildlife or pets. Mitigation. Stay away from wild animals and clients' pets. Never touch a wild animal and avoid reaching into an area you can't clearly see. Mitigation. Request clients secure pets during visit, approach animals cautiously, and avoid loud noises that could startle them. Never blow around dogs or horses. Risk Topic 8. Pathogen exposure from soil or compost. Certain soil-borne pathogens can cause infections if open cuts or wounds meet contaminated soil or compost or by touching food while you eat. Mitigation technique. Wear gloves, cover cuts or abrasions with waterproof bandages, and wash hands thoroughly. Wash gloves and clothes after each workday. Risk Topic 9. Water hazards. Risk. Dangers of falling into ponds, pools, or water features. Mitigation. Do not lean over bodies of water while working. Act professional around water and stay away from pool edges. Risk Topic 10. Plant toxins. Risk of poisoning from plants with toxic sap, berries, or leaves. Mitigation. Always wear gloves and proper eye protection when handling unknown or suspicious plants. Risk Topic 11. Traffic-related accidents, being struck by a vehicle. Risk. Working near driveways, roads, or alleyways poses a risk of being hit by passing vehicles. Mitigation. Place cones to alert drivers of your presence, and always look both ways before entering streets, roads, alleyways, and driveways. If concerned, ask your area manager for a high-visibility reflective vest. Risk Topic 12. Abrasions, cuts, punctures, hearing injury, eye injury. Risk. Eye injury, cuts, hearing injury. Mitigation. Wear all PPE to include gloves, large covering hat, long-sleeve shirt, hearing protection that covers the ears, eye protection, pants, high-traction shoes. Summary. This training covers 12 critical risk areas in landscape maintenance. By consistently following the suggested safety measures, staff can greatly reduce accidents and ensure a safer, more productive work setting. If any part of the safety course is unclear, ask the team for clarification.